What's up guys? For today's video, I will show you how to start or fire sludge in a waste oil incinerator. A waste oil incinerator is a furnace for burning waste. Sludge or waste oil stored in the sludge tank and bilge sludge tank is transferred by a sludge pump to the waste oil tank, where it's heated by steam to maintain a temperature of about 90 to 100 degrees Celsius, evaporating water and preparing it for burning. To start the waste oil incinerator, open the diesel oil inlet valve and the valve connected to the waste oil line, the waste oil inlet valve, the diesel oil valve for the auxiliary or pilot burner, the atomizer air inlet valve, and the flow control valve. At the control panel, ensure the combustion changeover switch is set to waste oil plus auxiliary burner. Then, set the cooling fan running switch to on and push the combustion button. Preheat the furnace by running the waste oil burner on diesel oil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, change over the valves. Open the waste oil tank outlet valve. And close the diesel oil inlet valve. Open the return valve to the waste oil tank and turn the handle of three-way valve located at the top of waste oil pump to the horizontal position to flow the return or excess oil to the waste oil tank. Next, turn the combustion changeover switch to waste oil only and monitor the firing condition. If there are any alarms, rectify them. We will cover testing the safety devices and alarms of the waste oil incinerator in our next video.